If your electric dryer is making noise, here are the 7 most probable causes. The dryer's drive belt, which wraps around the drum, an idler pulley, and the drive motor to rotate the drum, can wear out over time, which can make the dryer noisy when the drum is turning. If the belt appears frayed or damaged, you should replace it with a new one. Many dryers use drum rollers to support the rear of the drum, and some models will use rollers to support the front of the drum. If a roller is damaged or worn out, it can cause the dryer to make a loud squeaking noise when operating. We recommend replacing all of the rollers at the same time as a preventative measure. The drum roller axle could be worn out as well. If the roller wobbles on the axle or does not spin freely, the axle should be replaced in addition to the roller. The blower wheel works with the motor to draw air into the dryer drum. If the wheel is obstructed by a small article of clothing or rubbing against its housing, the dryer may be noisy during operation. Check to see if anything is obstructing the blower wheel and confirm it's not rubbing against its housing. If the component appears damaged or wobbles on the motor shaft, you will need to replace it with a new one. On many models, drum glides or pads support the front of the drum as it rotates. Over time, these parts will wear out, resulting in a loud noise when the drum is turning. If any of the glides or pads are worn out, you should replace them all as a set. The idler pulley, which applies tension to the drive belt when the drum is turning, can wear out and make a squealing sound when the dryer is running. If the idler pulley is damaged, we recommend replacing both the pulley and the drive belt at the same time. Over time, the bearings in the drive motor can wear out, which can make the motor quite noisy. Since this is not a common problem, you should confirm the other potentially defective components are in good working order before replacing the motor. All of the parts shown in this video are available on our website. Be sure to enter the full model number of your appliance in our website search bar to find the specific replacement part that will fix your dryer.